Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Google Trends Hub. Today, we're talking about a game-changing ruling in an antitrust case that's got the tech world buzzing. A federal judge has ruled against Alphabet, the parent company of Google, finding that it used classic monopoly-building tactics to dominate online advertising. Imagine being one of millions of advertisers and content creators trying to get their message out on the internet. You're competing for attention in a crowded space, but you need tools to help you reach your audience. That's where digital advertising comes in, a multi-billion-dollar industry that Google has become the largest player in. But here's the thing. According to the Department of Justice, Google's dominance has hurt these very businesses and creators. The DOJ claims that by acquiring leading ad tech firm DoubleClick for $3.1 billion back in 2008, Google became an even more formidable force in the market. And now, a federal judge has ruled that Alphabet violated antitrust law by willfully acquiring and maintaining monopoly power. This means that Google must face some serious consequences. But here's where it gets interesting. The judge rejected the government's position that Google unlawfully monopolized another market within the ad tech industry, the market for networks that help advertisers buy display ads across the open web. So, what does this mean for Google and its competitors? Well, for one, Trade Desk and Criteo are expected to see a boost in their stock prices as investors believe they'll benefit from Google's struggles. But for Alphabet, it's not good news. Their stock fell 1.7% on the news. Now you might be thinking, but what about the impact on competition? That's where Google comes in. The company says that its ad tech tools are simple, affordable, and effective, so publishers choose them over other options. But the judge disagreed, ruling that these tools don't harm competition, at least not directly. So, what's next? The government wants Google to sell off its Google Ad Manager, a platform that helps advertisers buy display ads across the open web. It's a big piece of the puzzle in this antitrust case. And if you're following all this, you might be wondering how it relates to Google's search business. Another antitrust lawsuit is still making headlines. A federal judge has ruled that Alphabet illegally maintained a monopoly over online search services and prevented rivals from developing their own products. The DOJ is now trying to decide on the penalties for this case, which could get even more interesting by August. So there you have it, a big day in antitrust news. We'll be keeping an eye on how this plays out, and we'll bring you updates as more information becomes available. Thanks for tuning in to the Google Trends Hub.